Yep. All right, guys, we are back for another DoorDash video with my lovely girlfriend. And let me see my phone. I'm gonna go in and get this order. We got an order for Jerome. Good, how are you? I had an order for Jerome.
Yeah. That's the Mountain Dew one.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Thank you. You too. They were acting funny in there.
Why?
I don't know. I think they saw that it was recording or something.
She walked you out. I saw that.
No, like they were all just like smirking as I walked up for the food though. Here, can you put it flat in there for me?
Yeah, I'm trying.
They definitely saw that the light blinking on the camera.
They were making fun of you, or?
No, they didn't even say anything about it. They were just maybe, I don't know.
I can probably just hold it.
Oh yeah, you can hold this?
Yeah.
They're probably like, you're Jerome? Yeah.
It's DoorDash.
Yeah, so this ride is only a mile away and we were already pulling right past this Highway 55, so that was a good delivery. I like the quick, close ones, not the ones where you have to go 10 miles.
Yeah, like out in...
Yeah. And then you got to drive that way back.
Yeah.
And it's just... Yeah, we probably are. $2.17, $2.01. All right, we're getting warmer. Oh, colder now. Wait. 209, 211, 215. What? 215. Oh wait. 217.
Of course.
Yeah, it is kind of cool. How's it going, man?
How are you?
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's tip on the car for you guys.
You have a good one.
You too.
He said I left a tip on the card for you guys. Yeah, and he did. That was a good ride. Show the camera. Oh, well, that's not the DoorDash app, but we just got another one for $7. McDonald's. There we go. Like a half a mile down the street, and I think it was like a mile and a half total, and $7. So that's a good deal right there. I should probably just go in. Yeah, for Callan.
What's the code?
775725. Okay.
Both these bags are yours.
Those are both okay. Thank you. Confirm. Yeah, they are kind of cool. I'll give McDonald's that.
Yeah, I like it. Bike approved.
Yeah. Well, we're about to find out. We're going on campus. All right, I can do that. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna call him real quick. Hey, did you have the DoorDash? Yeah. Okay, I got you. I think it's all in there. So this is what you don't want. This is about 5 times the miles as the last one I did, which was 1 mile, and only $3, not even half the pay. No, that's like no tip. So I've kind of realized that DoorDash, the tips don't really work in after like Postmates used to, as far as what I've seen at least. So I just take the higher ones. 2.5 miles, yeah, that's what you want to do. So we're back in McDonald's?
Memorial Street Drive.
Okay, that's fine. Hit directions. I don't really know. I think McDonald's and Burger King. Oh, we'll make them connect if they don't connect. We'll make them connect. I forgot what we're on here. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to make them connect, it looks like. McDonald's and Burger King can't be friendly. Woo! Should I go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well. Hey, I had a DoorDash for Quenisha. Oh, I didn't realize it was right here. She got a filet-o fish. I know. I don't even want to. I don't think that's gonna fit. That ain't gonna fit. Think you can just hold on to it for? It's like a mile away.
Yeah, I can hold on to it.
So I'll probably just leave it with the front desk. I'm guessing. Oh yeah, I guess that is. Hey, I had an order for Quenisha. She asked me to leave it at the front desk. Oh, okay. There you go. Have a good one. All right, we're going on a little lunch break. So that was $21 for 3 deliveries. It says 1.7 hours, but it honestly felt more like just 1 hour. But that's pretty good. All right, y'all, we are back. We had to cut that video short because that day in particular, actually, someone was coming at, I think it was 2 o'clock. This is about 2 weeks later, but someone was coming at 2 o'clock to buy my 250. I did end up selling it that day. So we had to cut that video short, but I did want to start including the earnings for these DoorDash and Uber Eats videos. And at first I was really only using DoorDash, but I've started to use Uber Eats more now as well. It's about just as good. I really want to start making some money. It's going to add a little bit more stress, but you run them both at the same time, which I've done a little bit of that as well. Let's go ahead and recap our earnings from that day. And yeah, I say a measly $21, but we were only out there. We were only actually out there for, it looks like, an hour and 40 minutes and then 30 minutes active time. I don't know. Really not horrible for the amount of time we were out there, but I think we can make more in these next videos. And another thing I wanted to ask about was I have the Z125 now. I have the KLX300, but with these DoorDash videos, I want to take the earnings and save up for something. I'm thinking either a pit bike or a Grom right now, but let me know in the comments if you guys have any other suggestions. I'm looking for something probably in like the 2,000 to 2,500 range. That's what I'm gonna set as our goal, and we're gonna grind out on these delivery apps and buy one. So let me know what you guys think. Be sure to let me know what you guys would like to see us get with the earnings from these deliveries. So taking a look here at my DoorDash earnings, and now I've started to do, as I said, a little bit of Uber Eats too, so I have some earnings on Uber Eats, and sometimes I run them at the same time, so it's hard to, sometimes you can't really quite just take what I've made on DoorDash, calculate what I make an hour, but anyway, so taking a look here at my earnings, I've had DoorDash for about 3 weeks. First week I had made $174.81, second week $238.75, and the third week, I guess in the third week, which I already did, that's already ended, and I've gotten paid for was 80. And it says 0 this week. I guess I did 2 Uber Eats. But taking a look here, this was on April 10th, so this was this day. This was a measly $21.06 for, we only did 3 deliveries. The next episodes on these are definitely going to be longer. This day in particular, someone was just coming to buy the 250, so we didn't get to do it for too long. But the next videos, I'm going to definitely make the next episodes longer, and we'll go over what we make. I think I can definitely make a lot more money now that I kind of know how the apps work and what kind of orders to accept and what to look for. So we'll see. I'm excited for the next one. Definitely be sure to subscribe. I just wanted to get this video out there because it was a fun little video with my girlfriend. Subscribe for the next one. Let me know what y'all think of these, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, another thing, for these DoorDash and UberEats videos, delivery videos, now that I have the Z125, I will probably be doing kind of 50-50 between doing the videos on the Z125 and just to kind of split the miles and change it up and do something on a different bike. I like riding both the bikes, so just a FYI, we'll be doing it on the Z as well. But appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to subscribe for the next one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.